Welcome to Plural Wellness. If you're over 35 and wondering why your skin feels tired, your energy is low, and your sleep is broken, the answer might be in your gut. Yes, your gut. I know it's easy to blame hormones, aging, or stress, but science is uncovering something deeper. Your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria inside you, shapes how you look, feel, and rest. Let's start with your skin. Have you noticed more breakouts, dryness, or dullness after 35? Studies show that gut bacteria control inflammation and nutrient absorption, both crucial for healthy, glowing skin. When your gut is inflamed or out of balance, toxins can leak into your bloodstream. This is called leaky gut, and it often shows up on your face before anywhere else. Next, let's talk about energy. Your gut is in charge of extracting nutrients from your food. That includes vitamins like B12 and iron, both key to your energy levels. But when gut health declines, nutrient absorption drops. That means even if you eat well, your body might not be using those nutrients effectively. The result? Fatigue, brain fog, and burnout. And now, sleep. Did you know your gut produces up to 90% of your serotonin? And serotonin helps your body make melatonin, your sleep hormone. So if your gut is off, your sleep is off. You might fall asleep but wake up often. Or you may feel exhausted even after 8 hours. But here's the good news. You can repair your gut, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Start with what you eat. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kefir, and kimchi feed your good bacteria. So do fiber-rich vegetables like asparagus, leeks, and leafy greens. Collagen-rich bone broth helps heal the gut lining. And drinking water throughout the day keeps digestion smooth. Try eating your last meal at least 3 hours before bed. This gives your gut time to rest and helps you sleep deeper. Movement matters too. Gentle walks, yoga, and even deep breathing support digestion and reduce inflammation. Sleep hygiene is also key. Turn off screens an hour before bed. Dim the lights. And consider natural tools like magnesium or herbal teas to support deeper rest. Lastly, manage stress. Chronic stress changes your gut bacteria. So take a moment to breathe, journal, stretch. Give yourself time to reset. Your gut is more than digestion. It's your glow, your calm, your clarity. And it's talking to you every day. If your skin, sleep, or energy feel off, listen to it. Start with one habit today. Because when you heal your gut, you change everything else. Thank you for being here with us at Plural Wellness. If this resonated with you, share and subscribe. Check the video description for our favorite gut support tools and daily routines. You're not stuck. You're just one good habit away from feeling like yourself again.